by adding en and ren. Yes, हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द नाउन बनाने के लिए सिंगुलर से en या ren भी ऐड करना पड़ता है. But when we add this only with two words, there are only two words when we add en and ren. One is ox. Singular noun is ox and its plural form is oxen. Added en. What did I add there? En. And the next word is child. The singular form of this word is child and its plural form is children. children. What did I add there? ren. As I told you, there are only two words when we add en and ren to form the plural form of these two nouns. Students, the next rule is by dropping y at the last of the word and by adding y. जब किसी word के last में y होता है, we have to drop that y and we add ies to form the plural noun. But when do we do this? Not in all cases when we are having y at the last. Then when? Listen. When there is vowel before the y, then we do not drop it. For example, monkey. 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 There is vowel before the y at the end. And में y से पहले we are having vowel. Then we will not drop this y while making the plural of this noun. Then what will be the spellings? monkeys. Monkeys. But when we are having consonant before the y, then we have to drop that y and we will add ies at the place of y. Look at the example. Lady. This word is also ending with y. This word is also ending with y. But what is the difference between both? What is the difference? Yes. The difference is there is vowel before the y. Here is consonant before y. When we are having consonant before y, then the last letter y will be dropped. So, the plural of this word is ladies. The spellings are ladies. The y has been dropped and ies has been added. So, the spellings are ladies. Ladies. One more example is there. Baby. Here is again consonant. Then the spellings will be babies. Y will be dropped and ies will be added. These are the rules to form the plural of the singular noun given on the page number 8 in your spelling part book. Now we will start to do the exercise given on the page number 9. On page number 9, here it is given an exercise in which you have to write the plural form of the given singular nouns. Look at the board to know about it. On this page, 18 singular nouns are given and you have to form their plural form. Here I have solved 5. After that 6 to 18 you will do yourself. Look at the number 1. A woman. A woman. Singular noun. One woman. एक woman. 6. Yes. आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ा था कि we have to change the vowel of the word while forming the plural noun. Here we are having vowel. Woman. It will be changed into E. A, E. Woman. Woman. Next is a horse. Many horses. In the first rule, you read that we form the plural nouns by adding S only without changing the root word. Yes, this is the word which will not be changed. So the root word is horse. It will remain same. We have to add only S. Horses. Many horses. We added only S to form the plural of horse. Number 3. A child. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको बताया था there are only 2 words which are formed into plural form by adding en and ren. Out of those 2, one is child. To form the plural of this noun, we have to add ren. Children. 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 Next is the fly. आपको मैंने अभी एक रूल ये भी बताया था कि when we are having y at the last, then what do we do? If there is consonant before y, then y will be dropped. If there is vowel before the y will not be removed. So here we are having consonant before y. So this y will be removed and we will add ies to form the plural of this noun fly. Flies. F-L-I-E-S. Y has been removed and we have added I-E-S. The number 5 is the man. Again, by changing the vowel in the word. Man, M-A-N, man. Here we will change the vowel of this word. Man, then man. Students, here I have changed 5 singular nouns into plural nouns. Rest of the nouns will be changed into plural noun by you only. Do your homework.